What is up, guys? We're back here with another vlog. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this vlog.
Alright, me and Tony are about to head out really quickly and run some few errands, right Tony? So hopefully you guys do enjoy this vlog.
What's up, guys? We're about to go to a store and pick up some stuff. Maybe go to Dunkin's too. Whoops. And we're just driving right now. He is. We got our hot chocolate and coffee from Dunkin' Donuts.
Put this shit on the back.
And we're just gonna go drive to the store now to pick up some stuff that you cannot survive without.
Someone flicked us off and immediately after he was pulled over by the cops. Alright boys, so we are here at Dollar General right now and decisions, bro. We gotta make some decisions right now. We don't know what to buy. Wait, what did we come here for?
Fish.
Where's my coffee? Hold on. What are we getting? Do we need cat food? What do we need? Huh, bro? Come on, let's go to the chips. Since that's what you wanted. See, look, now it's so clear, like, because it's stiffed on this freaking tripod. Right, come on, Tony. Where are we going? Tony! We're not here for your animal food when you're... Tony, is there still that Xbox deal?
What Xbox?
Tony, chips are on the other side. Come this way, bro. Bro, I'm leaving. What are we getting? Tony, we're not getting catfish.
This isn't catfish.
We're getting chips. Wherever those are. Party. Tony, here. Take this.
No.
Take it, vlog of it. Alright, hold on. We gotta find where the chips are. What up, boy?
Faggot.
Yo, look at that queer. Vlogging, bro. What's up? Yeah, right now, look. So what? What'd you...
I'm recording this one. I was trying to record this on video.
Alright, boys, just left Tony. Leaving the store right now. While Tony's paying, I'm just gonna be out here. Damn. I should have worn my boots. Hey! there he is. There's the one and only D-double-G. Hey! How much was the grand total?
$9.89.
Alright. We're about to prank my mom.
No, she can't hear us yet.
Why won't it focus? Mom.
What?
We're slipping. What do we do? Hello?
What?
We're just swerving everywhere.
What do you mean you're swerving everywhere?
The car's swerving. It's snowing.
Where are you at?
We're like in like a ditch right now.
Kind of.
Okay, let's.
Say we just hit it.
Ah, she knew it was a joke. Alright, Tony, what do you have now? What'd you buy now? Both kind?
Dude.
Well, how much was it?
They were.
Did you use the CVS card?
Yeah.
Here, give it. Well, you
They were
show them what you bought.
$2.99.
Here. Give me the card. Alright.
Our sponsor.
Hey, Nina.
Hey,
What are you doing?
I'm just decorating the gingerbread house that I'm surprised made this thing.
I made it all.
No, no, no.
Look at the gingerbread house I made.
I
Freaking
put those.
sweet.
We're not even done. No, put it back.
Oh. Well, I'll take this.
Stop.
Can I get this?
No,
Read.
Huh?
that's the wreath.
Reef?
Yeah, that we're gonna put on the door.
This stuff's so good.
Okay, well, stop.
Alright. Well, that is our gingerbread house. Second time doing this today. I didn't record the first one. Fast forward now! you doing, Meech? That's pretty sick. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you guys did enjoy this vlog.
And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And until next time, guys, this is Pero, Nina, and we are signing